we shall be testing only stations equipped with JBC C245 cartridge. We have on the left the original one. The output is measured at 120 watts, and on the right is one of my own stations equipped with this JBC cartridge. With this particular cartridge, it will only deliver 85 watts. So let's simply start the test. Okay, so hey, it's a big surprise, no? The station with higher power didn't do as well as the other one. Explanation is relatively simple. The station on the right is simply analogic, hardware configured, so once you start it, it already starts inputting current into the cartridge, while the JBC has a processor and will have to boot, and that steals time. Our results are 5.8 seconds for the 85 watt and nearly 9 seconds for the JBC original station.